So team, welcome again to the continuation session of Master of Software Testing, the absolutely new program that has been designed to take you big way into software testing industry. So this is the second session, and what I would definitely suggest everyone of you to do, please, before you continue to watch this session, please visit itlearn.com/events/master-of software testing. All right, so you can see that URL up here. You can also find that link. You'll find it here, and there'll be many other sections where we'll put it up on the website. It'll be hard to miss. So here on this website, I definitely want each of you to first watch the orientation session. I don't intend to repeat what has been covered in there. The focus of this session is to be able to take questions from the interested participants and be able to give answers to them. All right. I will definitely give a quick walkthrough of what the program is, how it's going to work, who it is for, and so on. But what I want you to note is that this video will follow this as the second video, and it will get hosted on the same page. Now, while the session is going on, which is live at the moment, there are dozens of participants in here. Any questions that you have, please start using this form that I've just put in this afternoon on the website. You can use this simple form, put your question, your name, and submit the question. Okay, so the question will get submitted into the Google Drive. It will come up as a Google document. I already see a lot of participants starting to put their questions here, so I can start to answer each of you. Okay, so any questions that you have, please start putting them on the URL. I'm gonna copy paste this URL on the chat. You can also pick it up from there, team. All right, so now I put the same URL in the chat as well. Here is where you will see the first video. This video will also get hosted there. The section for you to ask questions is here. The section where you will start seeing answers for each of them will be here. So I will not start to fill the answers here right now. I will start to fill the answers later, but this video will give all the answers that you have right now. Okay. Now, so what is this Master of Software Testing? Why am I doing this new course? So number one reason is that, and there's nothing in the specific order, I see a lot of people who are at a beginner level. Okay, so let me increase the font a little. I'm going to use simple documents to explain it. Okay, beginner level, and lot of you have no experience or have less than 3 years. Okay, then you are no idea or guidance on what or how to get into software testing. Okay, so that is where you're stuck right now, or you feel that you're confused on what to learn, how much to learn, all right, where to learn from. Okay, so these are the basic symptoms that one of the audience has, and you need answers to such things. So this Master of Software Testing is basically, team, a course that has been combined together to give you the best platform to launch yourself. All right, it is a complete 10 weeks program, and each week we will take the most important aspects of software testing and really get the fundamental basics mastered. Okay, it is not a program that will make you a QTP expert or a Selenium expert or a database or a backend tester expert. It will give you the width of everything. Okay, so it is almost like saying that, hey, we have QTP, we have Selenium, we have QA manual testing, we have SQL, we have mobile apps, right? We have soapui. There's so many tools. The performance testing like loadrunner, right? There are so many areas of software testing. Now, you to be able to choose which one to go and dig deep will take a lot of time, team. Okay, so For example, if you look at the industry, there are people who got 4 years and plus experience, and they know definitely, let's say, manual testing, they know a little bit of database, and they are very good at QTP, or they're very good at Selenium, or they're very good at mobile apps. So, or they're very good at, let's say, loadrunner, or one or more of the following. But if you are a beginner level, how can you master all of them in a short time, right? That is a big challenge. The way we are doing it is we are taking one topic at a time and spending enough amount of time to master it to what is needed. Okay, so let's say from level 0 to level 10, okay, are 10 stages. I am not getting into level 10 on any of these courses, not in this 10 weeks, okay? But you are getting more into a level 7, okay? Between 7 and 8 is what we're trying to get to. That way, you have confidence in various tools, not just one. You know what is there, you know how it is, and so on. This is almost like a master's program that you have, a crash course on software testing team. All right. Now, how it will basically work is I started to put some things together into Excel. So this is very rigorous workshop-based things. So all that we will do will have a lot of activity that you will be doing. It is no longer, hey, I will tell you, listen, then you try and memorize and then go to interviews. I'm so thankful there's so many people who have taken advantage of it and they have really done well. I'm happy about that to a large extent. But you will participate in this program team, okay? So for example, here is a rough schedule, okay? Week 1, we'll focus just on manual testing, MS Office and HTML, okay? So we will have orientation sessions where I will tell you exactly what to watch, exactly what to do, how to learn, what you need to focus on. For example, let's say if we talk about here, okay, if I go into QA videos, okay, I know what happens is people purchase each course, then they don't complete it. They say that, hey, you know what, they watch the first 10 videos, then they give a break, then they come back, then they don't complete it, and so on. What I am going to show you is how you can complete these 20 videos quickly, get the foundation laid, and move on. Okay, so you will be watching the videos, you will be practicing parallelly, and then you will be interacting with me, with the co-trainer who is going to be Manoj. You will be interacting with the entire group. There will be 40 members in this batch exactly, and each of you will have a forum to interact with each other. Find a status of what is happening. You are going to learn on the specific schedule. There is no option for you to drop out in between or say, hey, I will start again. Do not do that. Just go with it. It is very simple, team. It is like this. You can, if let's say that you want to become fit, you want to lose weight, you want to become lean, or you just want to build muscle, or whatever be your goal, and you can go to the gym for it. So that is basically saying that, hey, come and pick up 5-6 courses from here, pick them up, pay them, and start learning on your own, right? Here, what I am trying to tell you is, you take a personal trainer along with you who is going to not sit with you 24 hours, but tell you what to do, what exercises to do, what you do it, make sure that you're doing it correctly, put you on a program, tell you what to eat once you're back home, what time, what kind of routine you should keep, any kind of an additional supplements that you need to take. So it is that. It's the difference between going to gym and the difference between going to a gym with a personal trainer. That is the whole idea. So you will spend a lot of time on watching videos. You will spend a lot of time in practicing. You will spend a lot of time on interacting with the group, attending. There will be one daily session team, Monday to Friday, and that I'll show you in the weekday plan, okay? Then you will be working on tests, assignments, and presentations, okay? So this is a rough estimate. It could be plus or minus a few hours, and if needed, we might add another couple of weeks to cover ourselves here, okay? Now, what we are going to do is take each topic and learn what is needed from the perspective that you can learn it easily, you know exactly what to learn, and learn only so much so that you can get through that initial roadblock of confidence level, what you need for your interview, what you need on your resume and so on. That is the intensity. For example, if I say QTP, right? Just for QTP, there are over 100 hours of videos. There is no end to what you can learn just at IT Learn. But this will take a lot of time for you to put their team. So what I am going to suggest is what you should learn right now to get into the job. Once you get into the job, and let's say that you've been put into a project on QTP, then you go specifically and dig into this. But let's say you're going to a Selenium job, then you go to the Selenium videos and further enhance it. So what you will get access to is all the courses that you will see listed out here. So it is going to be everything except for the following right now, team. This will include QA, QTP, Selenium, database videos, MS Office. I know the PowerPoint is missing out here, but I will finish it in the next 1 week and put it up there. Then there are HTML videos, mobile testing, quality center. Okay, so other videos like security testing, soapui, and loadrunner are optional. I'll make sure that you get a good discount coupon that you can use in case you want to add it on. But these videos out here will give you the best platform that you need to launch yourself. Okay. Now, what will happen every week, I will explain it to you when the first session starts. But basically, we'll have an orientation day, something like a Tuesday or something, where I will pick up the exact videos and tell you what to watch. Okay. You will then go into the next day, start watching, practicing, interacting with the group. Continue that on Thursday also. As a group, you will come together again on Friday, interact, have sessions, present yourselves, and prepare yourself for the test and assignments on Monday. Okay, and this will continue every week. So you will do certain things. You have a specific goal to meet. You know where you'll start. You know where you'll end. This is what you're going to learn. As a group, you're going to learn and do all of these things together. Okay. Various activities team, for example, videos, what is it that you're going to do? Practice, how will you do? Group sessions, how are you going to do? Tests and assignments, presentations, you will be giving presentations to everyone else, okay? Then there are different things like summary of understanding documents and so on. So I started to build some of them to show you how it's going to be. For example, there is a video that I will ask you to watch. So this PDF document will show you. There is this video on IT Learn, live training, QTP live training. There is one specific video called day 9. Okay, I will be telling you in 1 week, hey, watch day 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the intent, what you'll be learning, why you should know this, what kind of an expectation you should have at the end of that session, and so on. So you as a team will create something called as a wiki document. This will be a short summary document of this video that you can use as a reference before you get into interviews. By end of the course, you will have a 200-300 page document book ready that you can refer to as a quick reference guide instead of having to go through again those 200 hours of videos. Okay, so this will talk about what is explained in the video, what is the important aspect of it. It will contain some quick templates. It will contain some quick reference to the code of what was done so you can refer it, all the comments on it. It will have different interview questions related to that video alone. This is just an example. It will have a few acronyms that you can refer so that as you get together, what is, let's say, OR, what is the key KDF, or what is DP. So different acronyms that we're using and definitions of those. Okay. This document team will be prepared by you as a Google Doc collectively. Okay. There will be one Google Doc which will be shared with everyone. Each of you will be adding information into it and concise document. That document between me and Manoj, we will make sure that we review it, clean it up, and finalize and get one document up. Okay. So what you will see is a great summary document that is absolutely phenomenal for you to refer before your interviews. So number one, you're building your confidence. You're learning exactly what you need to do. You will achieve a specific goal as a group. These are group sessions. This is not individual. So you're motivated, you're talking with others, you're interacting with them, and so on. So similarly, there's this definition document. For example, every term that you will come across, we're going to put it into a terms and definitions document. You can quickly refer that Excel sheet, find out definitions for it, and make sure that this is there. Interview question and bank. All these things will be coming as part of it. Intent is very simple, team. Take you from a level 0 or level 1 where you are to a level 6, 7, get you ready for the job that you need. Okay, that is the whole intent. Additionally, yes, I will also be working with the people, especially in the US market team. Other countries, I really cannot comment right now, on placements. Okay, how I'm going to place work on that, how you're going to prepare your resume, making sure that we do some mock interviews and so on. So there is specific focus last 2 weeks only on those areas, team. Okay, so we will be doing the first 8 weeks on various topics. Here they are. Okay. Manual testing, Jira, Bugzilla, MS Office, HTML, SQL, backend testing, QTP, Selenium, to the extent that I want you to learn. Later, you can go back and continue to do it. Okay. Then you have mobile application testing. I believe that's a great add-on to you overall. You will get it there. Okay. So, team, that is the high-level overview. Now, any questions, please? I know I've taken hopefully enough time to explain it. Let's see. Are you teaching this class? Yes. So I'm involved directly in this class. I'm telling you exactly what you need to do. All my videos are there, except for Quality Center, which Sean has done a great job on. I live in Seattle area. Yes, the placement will be across the US. Would you please send me the exact content of the course? So the course content, team, I don't have to send you. You can go here. I don't think it is there in this page, but if you go to the pricing page, it would be there. Okay. But I will make sure that the course content, exact details of what will come, will be presented out here. So the course fee right now, this is a $1,750 course, team. Here is the course content link. I'm going to put it in the answers there. But the reason it is $1,750 is, number one, it has a lot of things together. Number two, it will automatically put a 20% discount on it once you add it to the cart. So it is coming down to $1,400 right now. That is the price. Now, let me tell you something about the fee, team. What could be stopping anyone from going forward is the fee, number one, or the commitment. Hey, 10 weeks, long term. I need to get into a job for 3 weeks and so on. Basically, I'm telling you that I know what works in this industry. I know what people need, what they're looking for. Okay, so this has been designed so that you get the best out of it. Now, look at $1,400. You're going to spend about 300 hours on this program. So even if you divide it by this 300 hours, you're talking about less than $5 an hour. But look at what is the output once you get into the QTP or a QA or a Selenium job. You're looking at anywhere from $30, $35 to $40, $45 an hour. Okay, so there is a big return on investment. It is an educational thing. It is combining a lot of things together, team. Plus, we're going to talk about getting your resume ready, making sure that you're well aligned. So money aspect, I know I will also try and provide some ways that you could split the payment and do that. So don't worry on that right now. Be committed. Make sure that you want to do this. This is what it is. You have the trust and confidence in our ITLM programs, what you've seen as videos or what you've attended earlier. Okay. If you have already, so team, if you have a question, please, I request don't use the chat. Chaitanya, put it in this. I will answer it from here. Okay. So it's common for everyone. Since you had only 40 seats are available, how and when can we or others see your recorded video? So team, here's the thing. It is not live or videos and all that. It is one program. If you're missing something, your attendance will be noted. Okay. It is you who's going to be losing out on it. So please do not try and miss the sessions. There is not 1 hour of session a day. It's a 4 or 5 hours of activity per day. Okay. It is at least 25 hours of activities each week that you need to put in. Okay, so please be available. The required sessions will also be there. All right, that's the answer. Be present, but I will give a more precise answer later. Just speaking of how much it costs if anyone wants to do all of the courses. So here's the thing, team. This is in fact everything here. HPQTP, Jira, Bugzilla, mobile application testing, almost till performance testing. Okay, it doesn't include performance, web service, and istqb right now. But I will make sure that you get a good discount coupon for that. So all of these together is the price that I've shown you there. Is there any discount for that? I am already paid for QTP and Selenium, so absolutely Rupa, Man, approach Learn at IT Learn. They will calculate how much you've paid, how much you may need to do as a renewal plus the difference, and you will be given that price. Okay. You provide placement assistance in Austin. So across placement assistance across US. All right. So I'm going to be focusing on these people to make sure that we do get into the placement. Is the job interview calls assurance? Nope. For how long would you assist a candidate in job search? So Tina, okay. So this will be a longer answer. Let me tell verbally, then I will come back and fill in here. Primarily, what we're looking at is there will be a lot of focus on interviews and so on. Now, there are lots of other factors why you will get a call, why you will not get a call, and so on. It is depending on the location, what kind of a work experience you have, or what kind of a capability you have, how you're preparing your resume, where are you placing, all that is important. Okay, so there is no guarantee or assurance of how many job or interview calls you will get. Okay, but that is the intent. That is what we're trying to maximize out here. Okay. So job replay, guys, please don't use okay, I think a lot of people are not able to put the questions here. Here is the link where you need to put the questions. Any questions, please put it up here. I'll appreciate it. Let me refresh the sheet. Team, any other questions? Please start to put it here. Vedant, I'm requesting, please put it up there. Okay, let's see. Is 180 career change is possible? I don't have IT background. Yeah, Manish, so thank you so much for asking this question. That is exactly the reason, the kind of people that I'm trying to really work with on this program. Okay, so people who do not have IT background or have a different industry background or have no job experience. And this is exactly designed for an absolute beginner. If you are a beginner or someone who's got under 2-3 years of experience and require a real career change, this is the course for you. Right? Team, any other questions? I see very few questions here. I see a lot of questions on the chat though. Let me see. It's very easy to put a question there. Let me quickly pick a question and answer that. So Manish, your answer done. How much is the course charged? Chaitanya, course fee, I've shown you where it is. Already QTP, Selenium and QC, yes. So I've answered that question out here. So team, any other questions please? All right, so let's go on. Are there any live sessions? Yes, there will be, but why don't you use this form here? Archana, please, not in the chat. Everyone use the form so that I can put the answers directly for everyone. Is there any job interview calls assurance? No assurance of calls. Okay. However, we will work on ensuring we do the right things to get the results. Okay. So this I've answered. 180 degree, absolutely yes. Okay, this we've answered. Job replacement, I didn't understand Vedant, but yes, resume guidance. Okay, but I don't know what you mean by replacement. If you can put it in the chat also, I can take it up and answer it here. How you provide this certification? Great. So certification, there are two certifications. Okay, one is that there is a participation certificate. Okay, so participation certificate team is one certificate that you would get as that yes, you attended. Okay, this is what it is. Then there is an excellence certificate. Excellence certificate, you excel. Right? Out of all the people who have attended, out of the 40 people, this will be the top 20% only. Okay, who will get this? This is on various factors. Okay, tests, assignments, presentations, participations, okay, attendance, etc. All these factors will be evaluated in getting you that excellence award. Both these will be a certificate that I will be issuing, and you could use us as a reference for that certificate as well. Okay. Yes, there will be a discount to old members. Please contact learn@itlearn.com with details. Right? So let me not write every answer. Let me go ahead and quickly start reading out some of the quick answers. So team, I have another 2 minutes or 5 minutes before I finish this. If you have any other questions, please make sure that you put them here. If there's anything that is missing out, then I will have to do it offline later. Okay. Is there any course fee for the certification exam? No. Fee? No. Fee is included. All right. It is not separate. And it's certification exam. It's not one certification exam. There are a series of certification tests, one every week. Okay. Listen, it is it is not going to be an easy cakewalk program. There is some complexity, but you just have to follow me, go with me. I'll make sure that you will tell me that, yes, this was exactly designed for what you needed. I'm an H4 right now. Do you assist in H1B filing? Yes, through our various network of partners. Okay, I don't do it myself, but we have other partnering companies which do that. So I assume about 3 to 4 hours of time needs to be invested. I would say 4 to 5 hours per day, which will be about 25 hours per week. Okay, about 10 weeks. This is what is required. What will be the time for all the live training? Is it going to be the same time? Okay, live sessions anywhere between 5 to 7 PST. Okay, so this is the schedule. Somewhere between this, probably 6 to 7 or something, will fix it up so that we can relentlessly go through that schedule every time. Will you provide any kind of additional support after the 10 weeks until we land in the job? So number one, access to complete set of videos for those courses. Okay, then support through the group. Okay, next, repeat any future live sessions at no additional cost. Okay, there are lots of things that I'm trying to put together. There'll be a special 3-4 things as an offer that we're going to combine and send it across for the first few participants. We will definitely do this. Okay, what software needs to be downloaded for the course? Various. You will be guided, okay, as we go along. All right. When is the starting date? So I'm planning to do September 17th. So team, some of these have been answered earlier. So please go back and keep referring to the old questions before you put a new answer. Will you be able to provide license key to get these tools on a PC? For all the free tools, but paid tools, we should use the trial versions. Okay. I do not provide any license key. Okay, I'm working and I'm a fresher and I'm not able to manage at work with this. Will this help at work? Working and I'm a fresher. Nope. You need specific help. Okay. So it might not work for you. So please contact based on what your work has. Okay, your work could be on different technologies, whatever tools and so on. So it may not make sense. You will have to specifically give a information about it. How many installments we get to pay? I would say about 3. Okay, split payments, and these are basically like auto charges or post-dated checks. Or auto charges on your card. So that way there is some amount of breathing room for you to be able to do that. Okay, will that certification be valid across the world? Absolutely, anywhere. There is nothing that it is not valid. Okay, this is an IT learn certification. You can refer to our website, you can refer to what we're doing. All that will be there. You can use it. since you have only 40 seats available, how would I be picked up as one of the students since I'm from a non-IT background? I know the basics, computer, which most of us use on daily basis. So what do you mean, how will you be picked up as a student, Manish? So it is like a first come first. Okay. I'm not sure if I got your question correct, but I'm trying to give that it is first come first. Whoever's coming first to join will be part of it. You may have to then wait for the next session or start with the videos and then participate differently. Are most of the training classes taking place in PST? So I put the here as a group. You may need to interact at times beyond these. All right. I'm a bit nervous about VB scripting, especially programming. Can I work as QTP tester without doing programming related stuff or basic knowledge of QTP? Okay, you will learn VB scripting. Okay, that is what ITE learn is all about. Okay, so we will make you learn. Forget about, it's like saying, you know what, I don't know how to ride a bike, but I'm scared to ride without the supporting two wheels on the side. It is saying that, you know what, I keep those two wheels forever. Even if I've become an adult, I will keep doing my bike with the support wheels. Come on, it's like that. It's like saying that I'll keep on swimming for every day with the help of floats. I will never learn swimming. Then why do you even want to get into water, correct? Don't doubt your own ability to do things. You just need to be presented in the right manner, the right stuff, and you'll do it. Okay. What is the difference between istqb certification and most certification? Simple. istqb is being given by a specific group, a specific board. They have a specific recognition. They are known in specific areas. That is what it is. Most is being given to IT by IT Learn, by us, and it stands for something. So any reference can come to us and we will certify that yes, he participated, he or she excelled in it, and that is what the output will be out of it. Okay, it is who is giving it, how popular it is. All right, but don't focus on the certification. These are just small add-ons which will help you further. The small things which will give you a little bit more. Okay, but this is not everything. Now team, as you have questions, please feel free to put them on the website. Okay, I will keep this form active so you can continuously keep adding things to it and make sure that you are getting responses. All the responses that I put will get published for you to see as well. Okay, so once I refresh it here, you will see all the additions that I've done to the form will be available there. All right, any other questions, please? See, what if we miss any class? How can we make up? So let's say you're going to a university. What will happen if you miss a class? You will, number one, catch up with your fellow students and find out what has happened. You will have access to the videos, right? What you will be doing with that. All right. So Sridevi, on your behalf, I'm going to put it up on the website because despite my request, some of the questions are still coming here. Okay. And here is your name. All right. With your permission, please. Just so that everyone has access to this question. So just answer it. You will follow up with your team members. You will find out what has happened. You will look at what tasks have been given in that session and what has come out. Okay. Can you please give me complete details of filing H1B? Luckily, not me, but the consulting company with which we work with, they will provide you all the details. What Windows versions we need for all this? Any version is fine. XP a little outdated, but XP is fine. Windows 8 is fine. The basic things. Okay. You suggest me to take this course as I'm working and fresher. Priya, here's the thing. If you're working, you have a specific problem. Okay. You have to need support on that area. Let's say you're stuck in specific area. This is a rigorous program, so you have to manage your work and you have to manage your program. If you're fully working, I would not recommend this class right now. Okay. Or if you plan to make a career change into IT and so on, then this is fine. But otherwise, go fix the problem that you have. All right. What if we miss any class? How will we make? Okay, that I have answered. As of now, I just want to focus on QTP. Do I need to register for this upcoming session, or I can buy videos? So buy the videos. So just go with QTP if you want QTP. If that is what you want, just go for that. Okay. Are there going to be projects that are same as working in a company? Not yes and no. There are a few live projects that you will be associated with, and that will come up as an experience that you can show. Are there in web services live sessions? Not as part of this course right now, because those tutorials are still under construction. What is this? Do I need to? And if yes, will someone from sales help me to upload QTP version? So Ram, this is a very common question. There are plenty of answers to it. You will get all the support that you need to practice QTP at your end. Okay. Okay. Last question, team, and then I'm off with this session. But I'll continue to support on the video for later point. Okay. On the website, so that I can continue to answer these questions. I'm into software testing, and it is a bit tough for me to manage. So can you please suggest me? But again, Priya, it's like you're going to see a doctor and say that, hey, I have a problem. What is your problem? What happened? What are the symptoms? What caused it? You know, the series of questions. So please send a detailed email about it, and we will. I'll address that. Okay. All right, team. Thank you so much for all the questions. Hopefully, I've answered most of them. I look forward. All the information that you need is there. So get started. Take your time. You have a week's time. Make your decision plentifully. Relax. Take your conscious decision about what you want to do. Speak to your friends. Take advice from your family. See if this is the right course for you, and then take up your mind. Okay. Make up your mind. Thanks, everyone. Bye for now. We'll see you soon. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye.